Hey, good morning. This is Sean, and I'm back in Eugene, Oregon. And right now, I'm the caregiver to my mom. She made it to her 85th birthday Saturday, and she has the onset of dementia, lung cancer, AFib, COPD, still smokes. So, my sister and I are rotating in and out as caregivers to help her out. So today I'm going to show you the bench grinder I got from Marketplace, and I'm just trying to stay busy when I have a few minutes. So here's the grinder I got. I paid $50 for it. It looked old. It looked made in USA. So that was what sparked my interest. It doesn't have a data tag. And after doing some searching and some help from the Garage Journal, I'm pretty sure it's a Black & Decker. And it might be from the 40s or 50s. Kind of looks like a Model 74C. It does have this little leg with the little rubber isolator. The bolt is broken off flush, so I'll see if I can get that removed. Slide. So I found this air chuck at the Lieberg Dam Fish Hatchery, which I think is closed now, but it was sitting in the parking lot. So we're gonna run it through the wire wheel here. Cleaned up nicely. So another one of my marketplace finds was this Plum Tool Company, Los Angeles branded toolbox, and tools inside. Nice 3/8 drive ratchet. And then 3/8 drive breaker bar. Three-inch extension. Swivel. And these 4 sockets. So I'm gonna work on those, keep my mind busy. And I also found this larger Plum toolbox this summer. So that's it for now. You guys be careful, be safe. Rangers lead the way. Bye.